Today, we're diving into the secret process that brings all our software to life.
Ever wonder how your code actually works on a computer? Let's find out.
Well, the secret ingredient is a program called a compiler. Think of it as a super smart translator.
It takes the code a programmer writes and translates it into a language the machine gets.
This whole translation thing, it's really a two-part job. First, analysis, and then synthesis.
Analysis is where the compiler understands the code. Synthesis is where it builds the new program.
So let's imagine our code is on an assembly line, moving through all these different stations.
This diagram shows the whole journey, from your code all the way to machine code.
First up is the scanner. It just reads the code, character by character, grouping them up.
These little groups are called tokens. They're basically the building blocks for what comes next. So the characters I and F become an if token. A bunch of numbers, a number token.
Next, the parser checks the grammar and makes sure all those tokens form a valid sentence.
After that, semantic routines check for meaning. Does the sentence actually make sense?
Now for the optimizer. Its job is to find shortcuts and make the code run way faster.
And the final stop, the code generator. This is where those ones and zeros are made.
Okay, so the code is built, but now what? Where does it actually go and run?
It runs inside something called the runtime environment. That's basically the program's home turf.
You can think of it like a stage crew, providing everything the program needs to work.
Whenever a function runs, it gets its own little temporary workspace called an activation record.
When a function starts, its record is pushed onto a stack. When it's done, it's popped right off.
So why should you care about all this translator tech? It's bigger than just programming.
Because the same ideas are used everywhere, from designing microchips to searching databases.
So it makes you think, if we can teach a machine to translate code, what's next?